become a member. It's only $2 a month. You won't regret it. Well, hopefully not.
Hi everyone. I'm on my way to pick up Mollie at the, well, it's actually a variety store. They have a bus stop. And I'm very, it's freezing rain out. She's been on, well, she changed buses in Toronto, but she's been on a bus for like, I don't know how many hours, maybe 5-6 hours in total. She had to wait in Toronto for like an hour. It's, like I said, it's freezing rain out, so I've been pretty worried. I just checked in with her. It's scary, that's all I can say. She's hopefully about 15 minutes away or so. This is, you know, long distance relationships. They're not always fun. And you know, I hope people out there that you know, like a lot of people do support us a lot. But there's just a handful of people that, I don't know, have never agreed with our relationship. But look what she is doing to be with me. Just because of the circumstances in her life right now, she's coming to see me. And she would have taken the train, but there's been problems that I don't want to get into right now. Maybe I'll put something in text in the video. But, you know, the last time I went to pick up Mollie, I was in such a happy, goofy mood, and this time, you know, obviously I'm not joking at all. It's, I just want to see my baby. Yeah, like, and there's other things that I would say, but I don't want to say them right now. I'll say them when I'm with Mom. So it's 9:05 and the bus is scheduled to be here for 9:15. And the last message I got from her, you know, was kind of, I didn't like too much. She was saying it's dark and it's really windy and just scary. I just want everybody to know that and she would say this herself, she's been very happy, you know, the last 2 years being with me overall. And I wish other people would see that too. I mean, she's with a good guy, you know. It's up here. You know, it's like, if a person's happy, let them live their life. You know, it's their life. I've never forced Mollie to be with me. I told her when we first started dating, it's your life. You know, if you don't want to be with me, you know, don't be with me. And so far, she wants to be with me. Somebody else waiting. Oh, she says she's in Trenton, thank God. Yeah, the last thing she wrote before that was, the weather is pretty bad. It's really raining and blowing on the highway. Then I asked her where she was, and she says, I don't know, I can't see anything. And she's telling me to drive safe, and I'm like, it's only like a 5-minute drive for me. So, just glad she's. Just want to see the bus. And I'm not going to film her, like, I'm not in the mood to. I just want to see her and we'll get home. Whoa, who is it?
I thought that.
Honey.
Huh?
What?
I thought that was a lot bigger. By the picture you sent me.
Yeah. Well, it's still a big package. Honey.
Honey.
Honey, now we can be happy. I was just joking earlier about what I said. I wasn't scared or nervous. It was all a bunch of BS.
You're safe now.
I love my baby.
You're safe.
Look at the camera and say something.
I've been on a bus for like, I don't even know what I look like. And then you stick the camera in my
how long
face.
were you all in total? How long would you say you were on the buses? 2 buses.
6 hours.
6 hours. Well, I was in my car for like 5 minutes coming to get you in the freezing rain.
It's all about you, right?
Well, it comes back to me. So
have a glass of wine now and relax.
oh, I'm going to have more than a glass of wine.
You're not joking.
I'm not joking.
You're not joking.
I'm going to show you